Okay. Nagbibigay po siya ng wish. Happy birthday, Noriel, anak.
Walang iyakan.
Sana makahanap ka rin.
Marami nang gano'n. Kiss, no? Pasama.
Wala bang peace si mother?
Olvidamos, eh?
May call on Hazel Joy for the second candle.
Kuya, happy birthday. Many girls to come.
Okay. Darating yun. Next. Next.
Okay.
Ate Emma. Okay.